Hello and welcome to the series of Learn Revit in 5 minutes in Archi tools. In this video, I will be telling you how we can create or adjust the line types of detail items as well as visibility line types of various model items. So let's jump into it. First of all, I'll create some of my line types by clicking on DL. Whenever I select the DL, you can see various line types present over here. You can make any line types you require. For example, this is a thin line I have made, or you can create a medium line. You won't be seeing this medium lines and thin lines difference over here. When you click on TL, you can see the line weight difference over here. Similarly, I'll make one more hidden lines. So these are the properties being shown for the detail lines. What if I want to increase the line weight of this medium line? We can do this by going into Manage, and in the additional settings, you would find an option of line styles. When I go to plus in the lines, you will see various types of the detail lines which we are using in this. You can either add new by selecting on new modify, provide red line, select the color. You can select the line weight also, or I can adjust the already present detail lines. For example, this is a medium line and the current line weight is 3. I can increase its line weight to 5 and click on OK. You can see the line weight of the medium lines has been increased. And if I again press on DL and search for the new line which I have made, that is red, it will be showing like this. So this is related to the detail lines. What if I want to change the line type of some of the model elements? Likewise, in massing and site, I'm drawing a property line by sketching. And this is a line type which is somewhat like dashed. I want this property line in a different line style. How we can adjust this? This won't be present in the additional settings because it's a element, not a detail line. So we can adjust this by going to object styles. So here you will find various categories of the objects. So in my case, this property line would come under site. If I go to plus icon, here I can find the property lines. Currently it is set to a line pattern of double dash. I can change this to any line pattern I require and press on OK. So the line pattern has been changed now. So this is all related to the line types, line weights of the model elements as well as the detail lines. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment box. Follow Archi Tools for more such amazing contents. Have a great day.